Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see the recipe for bottle gourd kheer. For this recipe I've taken about 1 cup of grated bottle gourd, 2 tablespoons of roasted vermicelli, this is optional, 3 cups of milk, sweetened condensed milk 5 tablespoons, 2 cardamom, about 10 to 15 cashews and raisins, 2 teaspoons of ghee, and 6 to 7 strings of saffron. First, let's peel the bottle gourd. Try this recipe and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.